October update. The first innovation is mass editing of customer orders. We've separated repair orders and sales orders into separate tabs. Added mass actions for orders. This will help you save time on repetitive moves. Orders can be moved. You can print warranties or receipts for orders or a list of orders if required for logistics. Please note that the general list, as well as other printed documents, is subject to revision. You can add a barcode, customer data, etc., by editing printed documents. We've changed the principle of editing and settings of printed templates. In the More Settings, Custom Templates of Printed Documents tab were added the ability to see and edit all available documents at once. It displays standard templates for repairs, different types of sales orders, as well as other templates such as labels, cash orders, and more. The process of editing and initial setting up documents is now simplified. We also remind you about the history of changes with the ability to restore the previous version of the template. Click on the Print Templates to view the history. We've added the ability to produce goods for sale and mark such nuances in the profit statement. There is a checkbox purchase for sale in the supplier card. All goods that come from such a supplier will be included in the net profit report at the exchange rate at the time of sale and not at the time of posting. Thus, when selling a product and paying the supplier on the day of sale, the report will display the amount that is converted into the currency of settlement with customers at the exchange rate at the time of sale. A new kind of repairs and orders. In addition to warranty repairs, you can create your own, for example, partner, and also add different types of paid repairs or improvements. To create a new type of repair, go to the More Settings, Type of a Repair Order tab. You can edit the existing types by clicking on the Edit button on the left. You can delete by clicking on the cross, and add new ones by clicking on the Add button. We increase the speed and optimize the system. At the same time, we make minor changes to some modules for working with data. For example, searching by serial number in orders, warehouses, and shipping requests has changed. Now it works the same way as searching for serial numbers in a quick sale order. The last 15 goods received are displayed. To search for the rest, you need to start entering the serial number or part of it.